In this video I want to answer a question about why I do the trading experiment with a demo account and why people think that a $100,000 account is unrealistic, because I have seen and answered some comments on the YouTube channel. One of them was from a rude guy who said, basically everything I do is total waste of time and it doesn't make any sense to test something like this. And that's actually one of the reasons why I have deactivated YouTube commands for almost a decade. Because I don't like to waste time with negative stuff. Everyone has his or her right to have an own opinion. But anyhow, if you also think this is a waste of time because it's a demo account, I would like to clarify a few things. First of all, this demo account here means that we don't have any actual risk, so everybody can do the same that I do. If you install Metatrader 5, you will get a Metatrader demo account during the installation process. There is no cost involved, there is no risk involved, nothing. And it's a good idea to use demo accounts because you can check out if a system works and if there are errors or problems. So basically you can run the system for weeks or months, and that will help you to get more trust and confidence, or to find out that automated trading isn't your thing. In both cases it makes you smarter and it doesn't cost you anything. I have done trading for over a decade now. And you can see that I use demo accounts and I also use so-called send accounts. And I guess this person doesn't know what a send account is and how it works. So let's go to account and create a new real account here. I can pick Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5, which is why I use RoboForex, because I have premium courses for both programming languages. I can pick different account types here, and in this case I'm using a Pro Send account. I love the way that the hedge system is working, because when you say no here, you would only be able to have one position at a time, and this broker also provides a leverage up to 1 to 2,000, which is too high for me because I'm risk averse, so I use 1 to 500. And now I can pick a password here and click on confirm. So here is my new account and now I can deposit some money. Or in this case I could use internal transfers. I have several other accounts here and I can pick one and transfer the money to this new account. On the right side here you see that it is US dollar cents. So if I deposit $1, that would become 100 cents. And those 100 cents can be traded as if it were $100. So why should you consider to do something like this? Well, it is an easy and affordable way to prove or disprove that a system will work under real conditions. And the second thing is that it's pretty easy to upscale a cent account and create 10 cent accounts instead of one standard account. So basically I can use this system, test it on a demo account for a few weeks. My usual time span is about 3 months. Afterwards I can switch to this cent account, which we have created right now, and then I'm free to do whatever I want. So currently I have $500 left in my wallet, and now I can transfer that money to the new account. For example, if I want to transfer all the funds, that would become $531.54 times 100, because it's a cent account. While I think that is a very smart way to trade, you don't have to do it my way. If you prefer to use a broker that only offers standard accounts, and if you don't want to use demo accounts, this is your decision. At the end of the day, it's about relative growth. And this one is the one that we are using right now. It's a demo account. And if you don't use demo accounts, I think that you are missing a very smart possibility. And in trading, you should use every advantage that you can get. Okay, that's it for this video. I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.